Hello, watching News First Prime. I'm Rahul Dayan. Colors are the beautiful creation of God, and of course, if you had to experience colors in a different way, Birla Opus Experience Center is the right place for you to be. And right now, I'm here at the same center, same place, wherein you could play with colors, feel the colors, and experience the colors. So, to let us know more about this, I have with me here today Miss Priya, and she's the paint expert at Birla Opus Experience Center. Hello, Priya.
Hi, sir. Welcome to Birla Opus Paints.
Thank you so much. And we have got this great outdoors exterior finishes unit here, and there are many units in this experience center. So, basically, what experience does a customer get when he steps in to this place and exactly to this unit?
Yeah. First, before starting the exterior paint, so I'll suggest you can just check here. We have a sensor over here. So this is a waterproofing solutions we have. Like customer can themselves only touch the sensor, so they can touch they will know about the product, which product they can use for the waterproofing services. This is like main focus for them. If it is a repainting side or fresh painting side, first before doing the painting, they can go for the waterproofing solution. After that, you can go for the painting. So it will lock the water surfaces from the back end. That's it. And after
So basically, I have a hairline crack at my house.
yeah,
So I come here, press this,
sensor.
the sensor, and that will give me the solution. What exactly you have to apply to make sure that your home is free from hairline cracks. And I've got this wall crack here. I'll press this. So you have to use Crack Master Paste by Birla Opus. So that is the kind of experience which you get here. Basically, it's about exterior problems or the wall cracks or exterior wall leakage and all that. Right. Now moving on, I move to the right side of the store, this experience store. Okay, about the emulsions also.
One range we have emulsions, Calista range we have emulsions, style range. Also for the aesthetic look, so we have some textures here you can explore. If you have any balcony area you want to highlight for the textures, and you want some like tree bark effect on your exterior surface. These are the like highlighting textures for the exterior. You can just have a look.
Right. The exteriors, the textures, and the solution you would get here at the exterior finishes unit at Birla Opus Experience Center. Now, moving on, we now come back to our country because here there is a special and exclusive unit called Colors of India. So, what exactly is Colors of India, Priya?
So Colors of India basically means these are the unique shades of Birla Opus paints. So we have curated 16 unique shades from Birla Opus paints. Like what we have done. So we have worked on the colors, like which color will go with best harmony with each other. So we have curated that palette. After that we search for the inspiration picture of that. So we have got 200 unique shades. You can have a just look on the basis of nature and the rich heritage once upon a time, the everyday. You can just have a look on the palette. Just I'll rotate the palette. You can
So,
just
these are the variants of colors.
colors. Yes, you can just check this old house. So from this old house, we have these many colors.
Okay.
Yeah, light color. As it's also it's like a combo for you. You can use the lighter color for your wall for highlighting purpose, darker color, and for any other decorative items. It's like a palette for you for both interiors and exteriors. After that,
Right. Now next, moving on to the incredible indoors interior finishes. Now we spoke about the exterior finish. Now we are coming back to the interior finishes. So please explain about this.
like same brands we have here also, like one Calista range. In one range we are giving like high washability, and also we are adding scuff resistance property in this. Scuff resistance means like after putting for some time we'll get some furniture marks in that. So in our paint you won't get that hairline cracks and that marks over there. Also for highlighting wall we have textures for that. Like it's all based on the inspirations of nature. Like clay finish we have, like marble finish we have, like everything like cloud finish we have, wave finish we have. You can have a touch and look feel. So this is seashell, inspiration on the wave. This is cloud on the inspiration of sky. So all are basis on the inspiration of nature itself.
So basically it's the theme.
It's a theme for the
Right. Now this,
after that we have a wallpapers. Like anyone want to change their room, like in a like they are in very hurry. They short time of hand. Like in one day they want to change. Then they can go for the wallpaper installation. Like in one day it will complete. They can change their renovate their house like in one day, like in few hours.
not just the paints, but Birla Opus also offers you exclusive and fantastic wallpapers as well. And now coming back, this is a very interesting unit because it says Nama Bengaluru, and Nama Bengaluru is actually our favorite, everybody's favorite. So Tell us more about this unit.
Like we have curated Namba Bengaluru contents in our Birla Opus paints, like we have done with our painting style only. And we have curated some miniatures from that painting, and those we call it as a Sunday Happiness, Rare Applicants, Island Days, Purple and Garden of Zen. So like we have 5 themes over here. So customer can experience this one, and this is a live example for them. If they are going to paint the darker house, how it will affect them, and if they are going for the darker color house and darker furniture, how it will affect. They can experience it here only.
So basically, it's just an experience
Yeah.
of how your house looks like after the paint. If you select such kind of a background or that theme, basically,
Color.
right?
They are using the darker color, the how light will affect them. So how much light they have to use. So basically, it's
So basically, it's a demonstration of a complete picture of your house after paint and what kind of lightings have to be in that and everything, in fact. And now moving on, we have got this great lounge over here. And what's it basically?
Basically, it is for color constellation, like detail consultation. Paint is a like that decision one can alone can't take the decision.
Correct.
For that, we have family consultation. We'll take also family consultation over here, so they can come along with their family. They can take the pictures of their homes. So we have put it in the like we have pieces over there. So we'll put it over there, and we can apply the colors. They can experience everything over there.
So I think that is a very important thing, because what color father decides, children won't agree.
Yeah.
So basically, together come as a family, sit here, consult, and get your house pictures. They'd put it in the PC and give you a demonstration of how exactly the color looks after the application, just by visualizing it, just through a VR medium, right?
Okay.
Now next, moving on to wood finishes. Now, is it something like paint on a wood furniture or something?
Like also we have enamel paint. We can paint on the wood and metal surfaces. After that we have wood polish. Like in that also we have varieties of polishes: soft touch, melamine, and Italian Indian PUs. So like if anyone want to paint their grills, so they can go for the enamels. If anyone want the clear wood content, like they are like theme is on natural. So on top of that we can do the clear coating, and you can also see we have done in a rotation manner. So you can also observe how the light will reflect with the glossy matte variant. So different of products we have, so according to that how it will affect. So this is on the basis of Buddhist prayer wheel theme.
Okay.
Yeah, so the client can experience themselves how the light will reflect. So these are wooden, like we have dowd sockets, grills for our house, so we can paint it with this way.
So basically, a paint looks different before painting it on the wood surface or after painting it on the wood surface. So that experience also you can get here at the Birla Opus Experience Center. Now moving on, we've got this library. I think I've seen library in schools, colleges and universities, but you guys have library here also at the Experience Center. So tell us more about this.
So we call it as a library working room. This is mainly for the like architects, builders, like they'll do the freelancing part and they'll discuss in cafe or something way. So we thought of that also. Like we can give some space for them also. They can come along with their clients, whoever want to use the Birla Opus paint. So they can access the place. They can discuss with the interiors, color, everything. Also we have 3D visualization. So we can add the pictures on that. So we can move. Also we can also move. We can also change the color. We can also change the marble. We can also change the lighting. Like entire end-to-end service they will get it here.
Very nice. So you can come here. They've got their AR and everything here, and through VR and AR, you can experience paint before and after your room is painted or your home is painted. Now next, moving on, this is a very interesting stall, maybe a unit I can say, because here is actually the place where the paint is being made more colorful. So this is the tinting machine, and this machine paints the exact paint which you guys select. So you bring in any paint or painting option, color option, and after that this machine will exactly paint the shade of the color which you guys have chosen, or your favorite color I can say. So this is the tinting machine. And now moving on, we are coming back to this place. Yes, Priya, tell us more about this.
I already told you like we have different unique color names, so you can have a look. Not before coffee.
Okay.
So it's a common word, but we put it as a color name. Also, you can check clean uniform. We'll think about our childhood memories. So all our colors are unique. Damayanti's dream, paper moon, dosa chicken at midnight. So someone are craving for some eating at the midnight. So that is like our color names are unique. We presented this here, so we call it as a halls of colors.
Very nice. I think like a hall of fame, it's a hall of color.
Also, we have a tool. I told you right, the color reader. So it will pick the color. So we can give the closure shade. So this is the color reader tool. So this is actually for Birla Opus paints.
So it's like a great experience of you guys coming here and experiencing the paint which you ought to paint for your house or your favorite places and buildings, wherever it is and whichever place it is. You get the exact experience here, wherein you guys can actually feel the paint, experience the paint, and enjoy the paint. And thank you so much, Pia, for talking to News First Prime.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations on
Thank
the
you so
opening
much. Thank you so
of
much
this
coming.
beautiful store.
Thank you.
Right. So yes, as I said, paint is just not a color. It's a combination of emotion, joy, and of course the beautiful creation of God. So if you guys have to experience all those things in one single place, Birla Opus Experience Center at Indranagar, Bengaluru is the right place where you guys have to be. With camera person Manju Hoskote, this is Rahul Dayan for News First Prime, Bengaluru.